Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the partial derivatives. So now I will show you the technique. We want to find first the derivative of f with respect of s. So here is about the function in here. So because we just find the value of s, so s will be variable, y should be about the number. So about the first one, we got about 2x plus y to the power of 2. So we will do first the derivative on numerator. So this one you got about negative number 6, and then we have 2x plus y. Later that we do first the derivative of this one, and you got about negative number 2, 2y minus 6x. We simplify, and we got about 2x plus y to the power of 2. Negative number 6, this is positive number 6 with number 2 and number 2, they will cancel. Now we just have negative number 6y with negative number 2 with number 2 is about negative number 4. So we have negative number 10 y. Next we do first the derivative of the function of with respect of y. So we do the same. So we do first the derivative of this one. You got about number 2. So we do first the derivative of this one. You got about number 1, and you got about 2y minus 6x. We simplify this one, and we got about number 2 with number 2 is about 4. Negative, you got about positive, so you got about 10x. 2y, negative 2y, they will cancel. And this is the answer of the question. Now let's go to the next one. Approximate first the derivative of the function with respect of s at number 3. This is about s, and this is about y. So we will use about contour diagram to find the answer in here. So here is about the diagram. We need to know that s equal to number 3, that's it in here. Y equal to number 5, that's it in here. So the best way to find the answer, we connect two points together, and we can see that the answer, that's about this one. And we see that this circle in here is about number 6, and the answer for the question we need to put, that's about number 6. This is the end. Thank you for watching.